This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Compass AWD-23 Tay is a Class B+ RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Silverpointe, Travertine, Home Collection Estate G interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B+ features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Compass AWD-23 Tay is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.